everybody. I am wrapping gifts today. I have several rolls of paper that only have enough paper on it for maybe one gift. So my goal is to finish up all these random pieces of wrapping paper, and then after the holidays, when all the wrapping paper goes on sale, I'm going to get all one color. I either will get white, gold, or silver. Can't decide. I'm afraid if I got all white, it would be too monochromatic, and I guess I could change the bows on each gift, but we'll see. I'll see what's on sale, then I'll know. And I'm baking cookies. It's almost like a Hallmark moment, but it's not. It was not planned to be that way. I was just baking cookies and decided to finish wrapping up all these gifts. And then we're going to get in the car as soon as the sun goes down more. It's not quite dark enough yet. And we are going to go to look at Christmas lights. And this is a tradition we have. However, when I was growing up, we didn't have many traditions because I did not live in the same state as my grandparents. I sometimes didn't even live in the same country. So I did not have a lot of traditions, and so now we just have to create traditions, and this is one of them. And I hope you enjoy it because we are in South Florida, so it may not look the same as it does in your area. We have a lot of palm trees, so you're going to see Christmas lights and palm trees, or Christmas lights on palm trees. And I hope you enjoy it, and I hope you start some new traditions for your family or your home. So the weather is beautiful. We're going to put the top down on the car and go for a drive and see what lights we can see. And let me know if you enjoyed watching these, and if you did not, I won't do it next year. I just will do it and not video it. But this time I'm going to video it for you so you can get a taste of what we have in the area that is very Christmassy. So watch till the end and then make a comment and let me know if you liked or you didn't. We took a moment to step out of the car and see this brilliant holiday light display. I hope you have one near you. We are finally back home and we're going inside, but it was such a beautiful evening enjoying all of the Christmas lights. It was a great tradition. We do this almost every year, and I hope you have Christmas traditions you enjoy. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber, I would love to have you as a subscriber for the new year coming up. And don't forget, you can follow me on Instagram. Bye.